Everyone, hast thou grown weary of the forsaken zoo I once did show? For this day I have purchased for boxes wildest of their kind. They be the most perilous, most lethal, and verily the most dreadful of all mystery chests. Among them, one chest is named the Diamond Casket. Within it are rare fishes forged truly of diamond itself. Now I intend to unseal the first of these wooden chests. Upon its lid a warning of venomous peril. I must therefore tread with utmost care. Yet my heart burneth with curiosity what lies within. For these were boxes of mysterious creatures. Did I spend 10,000 pieces of gold to obtain? When I did open the first chest, lo, within rested yet another great black coffer, sealed tight. A chest within a chest. When mine eyes did behold the inscription above it, it warned, "He who openeth this shall bear all peril alone." Yet it also spake that within dwell 6 fishes, all of which bear venomous golden spines upon their bodies, and among them some are beings that can summon lightning itself. At this, my curiosity did flare anew, and I swiftly unlatched the coffer. Behold, within were 2 great pouches. I took forth one to gaze upon it. Inside were 2 small golden fishes, though but younglings now. One startled. Their tails shall release a streak of venomous dart. As I gazed closer upon them, I discerned their name California yellow scorpionfish. They dwell commonly within the waters of the vast Pacific. I did attempt to feed them dried morsels of small fish. To my wonder, they did feast joyfully upon them. Then I continued to draw forth from within the chest a transparent box. When I did open this box, I found a strange thing unknown to mine eyes. 'Twas akin to the claw of some giant beast. I placed it within a small tank to behold it clearer. From my knowledge, it seemeth to be called Harlexia. Their sustenance is none but the starfish. They feast upon naught else. They devour the sea stars alive, whole and writhing. Now, let us behold the final great pouch within. When I did lift it up, lo, it seemeth to hold an electric catfish. Shouldst thou touch it unwarily, 'tis as though thy hand hath brushed against a live wire. Therefore, under no circumstance must one lay hand upon it. Forthwith, I proceeded to unseal the second great wooden chest. Upon its lid was inscribed, "Beware the sharp fangs within." Could it be that a shark lieth inside? When I perused the parchment of instruction, it did further warn, "One of the creatures within beareth 2 orange fangs. Their bite strong enough to shatter the very shell of mollusks." This did stir mine intrigue all the more. What manner of beast could dwell within? I swiftly unlatched the chest. Inside lay 2 sealed containers. Through one I espied a fish, its teeth glowing orange like embers. Yet such a creature, I knew not to what species it belonged. Its body was cloaked entirely in deep blue hue. At last, after inquiry, I discovered it is named the black phosphorus perch. The fangs within its mouth gleam like those of a vampire. They dwell amidst coral reefs of the Indian and Pacific seas, a rare and fearsome kin. Then I drew forth the remaining pouch to see within. Behold, it was indeed a shark. Yet this species is called the vermilion shark, also known as the miniature shark. The vermilion shark hunteth by night, and may stride upon the sea floor using its limbs. Now, let us turn our gaze to the third great chest, another box of mystery. Upon it was written, "Beware, for deep-sea monsters slumber within." I hastened at once to open it. Within, yet again, lay a chest of golden hue. This time, I chose not to read the inscription. 'Twas as though I opened a blind box of fate. Swiftly I drew forth a pouch. Behold a long and slender eel within, its form like unto a silken ribbon. Its body bore both black and yellow hues entwined. Truly, I knew not what breed of eel it might be. Then I turned to the other pouch beside it. This eel, at least, I did recognize. By the stripes upon its body, I knew it as the zebra Murray eel. Yet eels be creatures of a fierce and biting temper. Thus must one handle them with utmost caution. At long last, let us turn our gaze to the fourth and final great chest, to behold what lieth within this diamond mystery chest. What wonder doth await? Upon its label it read, "Creatures shaped like diamonds." Could it be that I have purchased the most precious fish upon this earth? When I lifted the upper lid, I beheld the chest within bound by iron chains, tightly sealed and solemn. 'Twas unlike the three that came before. When mine eyes discerned the inscription above, it spake thus, I am the cursed sapphire, and declared to be one of the rarest beings beneath the heavens. Driven by curiosity, I hastened to unseal it. Within lay but a single small pouch. When I looked upon it, 'twas a blue oceanic pufferfish. In truth, I had only beheld such a creature in the moving pictures of men. It is said but a few remain upon the entire globe. Verily, a most rare and wondrous being. Yet this puffer beareth a potent and deadly venom. When provoked or startled, its body swelleth slowly, puffed with warning. Such is the creature's art of self-defense. All in all, the harvest of these for chests hath been most wondrous, most especially the final one, the rare blue pufferfish. If my tales dost please thee, we shall meet again in the next chapter.